During a police raid at the Monpathar market, alert local residents intervened to intercept a consignment of illicit alcohol, preventing it from being sold or smuggled right in the presence of law enforcement personnel. Acting on precise intelligence, a police team had launched a targeted raid in the market area, successfully intercepting an auto rickshaw transporting a substantial quantity of illicit alcohol. However, during the containment process, local residents intervened by passing the police cordon to seize the contraband themselves. The incident triggered widespread commotion and created a tense standoff in the commercial hub before order could be restored.
Hey, Neta Babu, mohit tahu. Reporter Bikram from Santi Bazar, Chini Khorang.